so sweet.
Trips, including this one. Got a new house, get a new car. Why do I love you so much? Your kindness, determination, your intelligence, and your beauty. Most importantly, that we have been man. And I love you for who you are. And what I'll do, I will love you forever. I'll make sure you have the best. And I'll change those stupid habits that I have. I'll support you on everything you do. And I understand you really well. I'll look after you. I won't do anything more crazy other than this, okay? I love you. Will you marry me?
Aww.
Yes, you are.
Huh? Daqui é mesmo. He dropped it. He dropped it. He dropped it.